The product is good to use. The product is highly durable. Manufactured in China. Non-metallic, single gang. Includes 1 gang outlet box, faceplate and receptacle. Paintable, stainable. 15 amp single gang color. White non-metallic includes 1 gang outlet box, faceplate and receptacle. Paintable, stainable carded. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. I used this to install a light switch at a gooseneck trailer. I did not run the wires through the style of conduit this was made to work with, easy to install, works great.